Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Phoenix bag. This is a Chris W. Designs pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So as you can see, it's a medium to a large bag. One of the best features of this are these side pockets here. They would be perfect for holding your keys, your wallet, etc. So anything for easy access. They extend all the way to the width of the side here. On the back, we have a hidden cell phone pocket. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, the big one, and it goes right down in there really good. And you can barely even notice it is there. It has a crossbody strap, recessed zipper, and on the inside this one has a decorative zipper pocket, but it would be very easy to add in a slip pocket on the other side if you would want one of those added in as well. Lots of really decorative work like right along here. This is something that I've never done on a bag before and I just love it. We have almost like a really nice decorative trim with some decorative stitching. Lots of decorative stitching on these sides as well. Purse feet on the bottom. It's just such a great bag. I just love it. It can be made in cottons. It can be made in faux leathers. It can be made in leathers. This one I made in like, this is a fuzzy tiger type print upholstery fabric. It's fuzzy. I love it. And a black faux leather. Yeah. It's just a super classy and elegant bag. So if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up momentarily. Just make sure you hit that bell notification to be sure not to miss when this goes up. It should be up soon. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you again. Bye.